This is part one of my 2005 Kawasaki Ultra 150 rebuild. These pictures show how bad the ski really was when I brought it home. The ski looked a lot better in the pictures than in person. Watch how I make it look new again. I actually ordered a complete nicer exhaust pipe off of eBay, but the seller never sent it, so I decided to refurbish the original one. It wasn't my choice, but it had to be done. I ordered stainless hardware and a new gasket to reassemble it. I media blasted, primered, and painted the exhaust components before reassembly. It turned out really nice. Don't forget to check out part 2 of this rebuild to see the final results. Subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on my new videos.